Last night, Tesla gave its quarterly earnings report, and the market didn't receive it well, and the stock is down some 9–10% this morning. And so what I did was go to my AI agents, Samantha and Bard, and ask them to update their quarterly analysis of Tesla and then give me recommendations relative to what their price is going to be between 2026 through 2028 January. And as a result, they brought down in the moderate scenario the projected price from $500 for January of 2028 to $490. And so I went and I read the report, and I normally, and that 490 is under the moderate scenario. They give me a conservative, a moderate, and a bull or aggressive scenario. And as I read the aggressive scenario and put it into respect of what I know is going on with AI and robotics and how the world is going to change, and then putting my projection thoughts more towards 2030 as opposed to 2028, I said, I need to share this with my tribe, and which I do on my tell sheet, but I said, this is important, and the rest of the world needs to have access to this. So I'm not going to go into great detail on it here today. Instead, I'm going to put a link to both the 11-page analysis that Samantha did in the description so that you can pull it up on your screen, print it out, or do whatever, and understand it. It's 11 pages, and you're going to be shocked at the detail that she goes into. And then I'm also going to include the 17-minute podcast that she and Bard do, where they actually discuss their interpretation of the 11-page analysis, and then give you some insights of what they think is going to happen, and also explain how they came to those conclusions. So this is going to be a short video. All I want to do is make you aware of what's possible, that you can stop making your investment decisions based on the talking heads that you see on CNBC and Bloomberg, or on YouTube or TikTok, or wherever you find your talking heads, and actually make your investment decisions based on all the knowledge that's available in the world today on Tesla or any other stock that you want to know about. And in essence, what I'm saying is I want to bring you up to the level of Wall Street's analysis through the access to the data they have, and through the interpretation of that data through artificial intelligence. And I think you're going to see you'll make better investment decisions listening to Samantha and Bard, or your AI agent that maybe you will build, than you will for any talking head that you've come across in the past. And the tribe basically is crowdfunding this work. We know the cost of accessing this technology is going up, but if we can each put up $1 bill a day, we can crowdfund it, and we can beat Wall Street's ass. Talk to you again.